Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the image in your Canva canvas and opening Effects, then choose Duotone. This is the fastest way inside Canva because there is no single invert toggle. Once you apply a duotone preset, make sure to replace the two-tone colors. Set shadows to white and highlights to black. Doing so flips light and dark values visually. Keep talking to yourself. You're mapping original tonal ranges to reverse tones rather than editing pixels directly. Once you set shadows to white and highlights to black, inspect the midtones. They often need help. Duplicate the image, apply a second duotone with opposite contrast or a gray midtone, and layer it above or below. Then tweak transparency to blend until the result reads like a true inversion. Make sure to try blend modes such as multiply or screen to control color intensity. These micro adjustments create the visual negative effect, while to finish, group your layers and export the inverted image at the resolution you need. Once done, check the exported file on another display to confirm the inversion reads correctly because screen profiles can vary. If you see banding or odd color casts, return to the design and toggle blend modes or slightly alter the duotone hex values. Small shifts solve most issues. If nothing fixes it, download and invert in an external editor and re-import as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.